flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Really, flying this thing look easy, eh?
Let's go down under it. Over it.
Left pilot. Hit the boosters.
Right. There we go.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right,
Okay.
pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Pull down.
There is the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Look, gunner.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Go down. Down, down. There we go.
Ah, there it is. After that train.
Yeah.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
Oh! Whoops.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship.
Press the flash.
Gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer.
Nicely done.
Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Woo! The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here.
Oh, crap. Oh, no.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely.
Oh,
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance.
Yeah.
You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Let's see what that was. Try again.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right.
That's a pretty good outcome.
Is not too good.
Making money is always good. Good job.
Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might